Hello everyone, hola, bienvenidos. Muy pronto vamos a tener clase juntos con Open English Mode. So hello everyone, welcome. Very soon we are going to have English class together with Open English Mode. My name is Megan. I am today's teacher for Open English. Envía tus comentarios para participar y practicar tu inglés. ¿De dónde eres y cómo estás? My name is Megan. I am from the United States. Hello, Yolanda. Great to see you again. Welcome. How are you today? Today we will talk about tips and tricks related to leap year. Jorge Luis, I'm glad that you're back. It is great to see you. Excellent. Jorge Luis is a very dedicated Open English Mode student. Great. Well, today we will be talking about tips and trips for leap year. Please check out our special offer today, Oferta Especial. The link is in the Facebook post for today's video. You can also go to the Open English site to check out our leap year promotion. We will talk more about this also. Hi, Vanessa. Hello, Richard. Richard is from Ecuador. Welcome, Richard. Great to see you. Excellent. Muy pronto vamos a tener clase juntos con Open English Mode. And we are going to be talking about leap year today, año bisiesto. This is a good topic for February. Yolanda says, hello from Nicaragua. I remember Yolanda. Hernan is here from Colombia. Great to see you, Hernan. Excellent. Wonderful. It is great to see so many students today. Hello, Eliana from Torporto. Excellent. Great. Welcome. Again, my name is Megan. I am from the United States. I am the teacher today, and very soon we will have Open English Mode class. Muy pronto vamos a tener clase con Open English Mode. Hoy vamos a discutir y practicar el tema de el año bisiesto, leap year. Hello, Alcira. Alcira is from Bolivia. Excellent. Welcome, Alcira. Great to see you. Okay, you want this course for your children. Excellent. We can contact you about Open English Junior. Hi, Francisco. Great to see you. Wonderful. Okay, well, es hora. Vamos a comenzar today's class. Envía tus comentarios para participar durante la clase. Oh, hi, Carol. Great to see you again. Okay, so let's begin. Vamos a comenzar. And first, please notice our special offer today. You can click the link in the Facebook post for more. 2020 te regala un día más y nosotros un año más de inglés gratis. Aprovecha solo cada 4 años. So please visit Open English to see this special offer, oferta especial. Okay, so let's talk about Open English Mode. Hola y bienvenidos a Open English Mode. 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. Mi nombre es Megan de Chicago, Estados Unidos. Soy profesora de inglés con 6 años de experiencia enseñando en Open English. Y hoy vamos a hablar sobre el año bisiesto. So today we will talk about leap year, which is appropriate because this year is a leap year. Y durante la clase, enviar tus comentarios para participar y practicar tu inglés. So let's start with some cultural information about leap year. We can read together. Vamos a leer juntos. The Earth takes a little more than 365 days to move around the sun. So approximately every 4 years, the Gregorian calendar adds an extra day. February 29th. This prevents seasons, estaciones, como invierno y verano, from shifting across months. Years that include the leap day of February 29th are called leap years in English. 2020 is a leap year. Some businesses offer special sales on leap day to encourage people to use the extra day for shopping. So en tus comentarios, do you do anything special on leap days? Normalmente, ¿hagas algo especial? Leap day is February 29th. Es sábado este año. En tus comentarios, do you do anything special on leap days during leap years, año bisiesto? Do you go shopping? I will watch for your comments. I see more people are saying hello. Hi, Josh. Hi, Juan. Hi, Liza. Hello, Martha. Good. Hello, Ronnie. So maybe on leap days, you can watch for special sales and special offers. Byron says, no, I don't do anything special. Okay, excellent. Hi, Espinosa. Good to see you. Okay, so maybe like Byron says, on leap days, I usually do not do anything special. Or maybe we can say something like on leap days, I go shopping. I watch for special sales, ofertas. Let's talk about some tips for leap day, right? Today we want to review 3 tips related to leap year and English. So tip number 1, número uno, is make plans for leap day. Don't forget to do something special on this extra day. Plan what you are going to do. And remember, use going to talk about the future. That is an option. You can say subject plus to be plus going to plus verb. For example, what are you going to do on leap day this year? On leap day, I am going to practice English. So ojalá que espero que practiques inglés. I hope that you practice English on leap day. Envía tus comentarios. What are you going to do on leap day? On February 29th, this Saturday, what are you going to do? Are you going to practice English? Are you going to use this extra day? And did you know that you can review how to talk about the future with going to in the Open English Mode video, grammar, future, going to. So let's look at your comments. What are you going to do on leap day? Josh Matt says, I'm going to Florida. Wow. Great plans. Carl says, I'm going to read a new book. Excellent. These are great ways to make use of this extra day this year. Very good. Okay, let's talk more about using English on leap day and practicing English. So tip number 1 is to make plans for leap day. Tip number 2 is to use leap day as an extra day to practice English. Think about specific strategies for listening and speaking. So you have an extra day, you will have extra time to practice English. Plan what you will do. Remember, the simple future with will is a common way to discuss plans and promises for the future. So you can use the form subject plus will plus base verb. For example, to practice English listening and speaking, I will have a conversation in English. I will watch an Open English Mode video. So envía tus comentarios, practice talking about future plans. How will you practice speaking and listening in English on leap day? Por favor, envía tus comentarios. And remember, you can review how to use will to talk about the future in the Open English Mode video, grammar, future, will. So if you want to practice English listening and speaking, you can review past Open English Mode videos on the Open English Facebook or YouTube pages. Let's look at your comments. How will you practice speaking and listening in English on leap day? Oh, I see people are sending in comments here. Espinosa says, I will see your class online on leap day. Good. Watching a video or a class in English is a great way to practice listening. Byron will go shopping at the mall. Maybe you will hear some English at the mall. Carl says, I will visit the Open English page. Good. Maria will work. Maybe you can hear some English at work. Excellent. Some great ideas here. Very good. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Y hola a todos, bienvenidos. Estamos practicando inglés con Open English Mode. We are practicing English together with Open English Mode. So tip number 3 is to use Leap Day as an extra day to practice English and think about specific strategies for reading and writing. So we know that reading and writing are important aspects of language. You can use Leap Day to help develop English reading and writing skills. Remember that creating small, specific steps can help you achieve language goals. So for example, to practice English reading and writing on Leap Day on February 29th, you can say, I'll read the news in English for 15 minutes. Or maybe I'll post, publicar, 2 comments in English on social media. Envía tus comentarios. How will you practice reading and writing in English on Leap Day? Envía tus comentarios. And did you know you can use contractions with will to sound like a native English speaker? Instead of I will, use I'll. For example, I'll read, I'll post. So practice talking about your future plans for Leap Day. How will you practice reading and writing in English with this extra day? Wilder says, in English, hi Pachas? Good. Can you practice reading the news, some websites, writing something? Byron says, reading an English book. Okay, great. Great. We hope that you use the extra day this year to practice your English. Josh Matt says, I'll read a good book. Okay, good. Lots of good suggestions here. Great. You can read a book. Good use of I'll. Very nice grammar. So let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Y hola a todos. Estamos practicando inglés con Open English Mode. So let's talk about some expressions. Envía tus comentarios. Try to match es emparejar, match the meanings and the expressions. We have expressions here in English with leap. Usually the verb leap is like saltar or brincar in Espanol, but sometimes in expressions, leap can have a different meaning. So let's learn some English expressions with leap. Envía tus comentarios, try to match the meanings with the expressions. So expression number 1, to grow by leaps and bounds. Is this A, B, or C? Envía tus comentarios. Expression number 2, to look before you leap. And expression number 3, to take a leap of faith. Possible definitions here are letter A, to trust that something will succeed even without evidence. Letter B, to make a lot of progress quickly. And letter C, to consider the consequences of a future decision. So let's see if you are able to match the expressions and the definitions. Good, I see some ideas coming here. Some of these can be difficult. Some of these have special meanings. Caro says that number 1 is B. You are correct, Caro. To grow by leaps and bounds means to make a lot of progress quickly. So I can say your English skills are growing by leaps and bounds. You are making progress. Good. What about number 2, to look before you leap? Look is like mirar. Jorge Luis says 3 is A. Good. Yes, very good. So number 2, to look before you leap is C, to consider the consequences of a future decision. It is like, be careful, look at all the consequences before you leap, antes de saltar. And finally, number 3, Jorge Luis is correct. To take a leap of faith matches letter A. To trust, confiar, to trust that something will succeed, even without evidence. Good, excellent work with these expressions here. Very nice work, great participation. And remember that we have a special offer today. You can visit the Open English site or the link in our video post for today's Leap Year Special, Un año más de inglés gratis. Aprovecha, es solo cada 4 años. So thank you everyone. Espero que les haya gustado la clase de hoy. Los esperamos el próximo lunes para que aproveches 10 minutos más de inglés gratis con Open English. Y no lo olvides, inscríbete a nuestro curso en openenglish.com para que domines el inglés tan rápido como tú decidas. Te esperamos.